Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench with the Ulmia Putzhobel. It's got the strike button on the back. It has the metal cross pin. It has the white beech sole and the standard European beech body. I have it set to take just about a thou shaving. So, what is a Putzhobel? Well, a Putzhobel is a finishing plane, a smoother. Okay? And how I know that is based on the size of the mouth opening. It's reasonably tight, as opposed to a scrub or a jack plane. So, in trying to estimate the age of this, it has a lacquered body. It has an instruction sheet that came with it. There is some numbers on it, and I don't know if it translates out to what I think it does, but based on the box and the condition and the instructions, I'm thinking this was either made in the 70s or possibly the 80s. Really nice thing about wooden planes is the wood-to-wood surface contact. As you can see, I have the fan on. It's just smoother. So I will be parting with this one. If you're interested, I have too many planes. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section. But that's about it. The Ulmia Putzhobel. Head out to your shop. We'll make some shavings like that. But not until you like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.